Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the conditional logic feature to disable any specific fields in BitForm. Let's begin. To create your first form, simply click on the Create First Form button. Choose what type of form you want to create from here. I want to create a simple contact form, so simply use this template. Now go to the Settings section. Then select Conditional Logics. Click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. If the first name field value is not null, and the last name field value is null, then the email field value is disabled. Then click on the Update button. When filling out the form, if the first name value is not null, and the last name value is null, then the email field value will be disabled. Now let's fill out the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.